Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for the Girls Down Under Weekend Challenge. So the Girls Down Under, if you're not aware, is a Facebook group for Australian and New Zealand scrappers. And we have a challenge each weekend. A member is randomly drawn and they set a challenge. So this weekend's challenge was set by Jamie Ramsey, and we had to include green flora, so flowers, something shiny, and must include patterned paper. Alright, so this is what I have aside for this layout. My shiny is my rhinestones. My patterned paper is here, and my green is in this piece of patterned paper, as well as my title. Now, I recently got a cricket and I was having a play, so I came across this cut file today, and it was originally originally black and yellow, and I went, oh, I don't like black and yellow, won't suit the layout, so I made it brown and green to suit the layout more, because there's brown in these flowers and there's green paper, but I really don't know if I like it. I'm going to put it on the layout, and if I don't like it later, I can always change it. So anyway, my flora is these flowers. I had them sitting on my desk from leftover from a previous layout. These as well. So I'm probably going to colour them. I don't know how yet. Some red twigs I had sitting on my desk. A tag. Another tag that I'd made for a swap sitting on my desk, and it's the right sort of colours. So that might make it on the layout as well. I got this pink camera from a swap recently, so I'm possibly going to add this to the layout as well. I just need to punch out all those little bits. And then my photos are of a day trip, hence the title. Day trip we took down from Sydney to the Southern Highlands one year. This was pre-2017 because we moved up here in 2017. And we just went to a park down there that had lots of flowers and beautiful floral display in the gardens. It was October, I believe, so it's spring, and well, spring for us in Australia, and beautiful, beautiful tulips. Southern Highlands in Australia is known for its beautiful tulips, and there's a really cool picture of a tree. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to get onto it, and I'll be back at the end when it's finished. Okay, there is my completed layout. A double page spread. I really don't know if I like this, but the beauty is that I have saved it so as a cut file, so I can do another one and in different colors and just glue it over the top. So I'm not concerned that I stuck that down with foam dots, because I can just put another one straight over the top in different colors, which I think I will do because it just looks wrong. So I think I might do like the black background with the pink. Day trip, don't know. Jury's out, but I know it definitely won't be yellow. So I found, oh sorry, I found I didn't have enough flowers, so I did go and stamp and cut a heap more of both the daisies and the poppies, and now I have way too many, but these will go on my stash to use on yet another layout. And I also, while I was there, stamped and cut out some leaves, because I realized that the red twigs that I initially had didn't really suit, so I did some leaves as well. Then while I was doing that, I also found a few stickers that worked beautiful and lovely. They were in the right shades in pink, so I stuck them on and I met all the criteria. So it had to be a spring themed page, where this is definitely spring with the beautiful tulips and flowers. Had to have green on it. Well, I've definitely got green. Had to have flowers. I've definitely got flowers. Something shiny, that is my bling in the center of all the daisies. And it must have pattern paper, and I have pattern paper. And my journaling is going to go here. So there we have it. I will link the group below, the Girls Down Under Facebook group, and if you're in Australia or New Zealand, please feel free to join, and then join in all our challenges and games and stuff like that. Lots of fun, and we're a really chilled back group. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hit that notify bell so you know when my next video is coming out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.